I'm in the right path for now because of the craft shop. Because when I was applying for the jobs, I didn't knew how to start in this field. So I was looking for a process to help me out with learning and getting into the marketing sector. So currently, what I'm feeling is like yes, I'm in the right path for now, just because of the craft Shala, and that's it. Hi, my name is Vikash Kumar Sahu. I'm from Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. Currently, I'm associated with Team Pumpkin as an intern in digital marketing. Basically, I'm working in the performance marketing team over there. And prior joining the Craftshala, I have an experience with collaborative services as a technical recruiter, and some time of experience with Accenture as an application development associate. So what happened was, frankly speaking, when I was scrolling Insta, I saw an ad from Craftshala. There was a thing that is pay after placement and get placed at marketing roles without MBA. So that was like at that time I was looking for the jobs, and also I was getting the feedback that I'm not so much equipped with the marketing terms, and I want to spend and invest my time in learning the marketing skills and strategies, prepare myself for better performance and better future. And I saw the opportunity that Craftshala provided, that I can like learn all these things from here. So those are the pointers which came in my mind, and that kind of attracted me towards the Craftshala. So previously, like while applying for the job, I had completed a few courses from Internshala and Udacity. But the thing was, no one taught me the like strategies, how to apply the strategies, and how to understand the business objective from a marketer's perspective, how to create a media plan. These were the things which I learned from the Craftshala, and not from the other institutes. Previous courses that I have took, that was just a part-time learning, and I was able to do it at my own pace. So there was no deadlines for me to complete the project. Even if there is a deadline, then no one cares about the deadline, that if I'm submitting the project or not. There were mentors that were helping me out, but I had no interaction with them. I was not able to connect with them via video call or a phone call. That they were able to see my project, and they just comment on the project, and I have to work on the basis of those comments. So I was not getting clear thoughts upon what they are thinking and what I am doing. So that's kind of a big difference between the Craftshala and between any other course. Craftshala is able to make me think of a business objective from a marketer's perspective. So I knew how to use the tools and platforms, but I was lacking behind the strategies. And I knew the Facebook tool, but I didn't knew how to apply those the strategy while using the Facebook. So that's kind of strategies that Craftshala taught us. So those kind of things which helped me to apply strategies while using the tools. So and also I was afraid of learning search engine optimization, and Craftshala was like the search engine optimization is, I can say that the whole concept is clear to me. The basic concept is clear to me just because of the Craftshala. I have learned from different institutes also, but I wasn't clear about search engine optimization. So Craftshala like helped me to overcome the fear of SEO. Initially, when we were when we were put into the different groups for our projects. So in my first group, I was sitting idle, and I was unable to put my strategy, what I know about all the tools and the platforms. Initially, they thought that I don't want to like do the things, but after that, I showed my interest, and I showed everything that I know, and I know these things, and I also know how to apply these things, but I'm just unable to explain you. So they were like, just chill and just say what you want to say. And after that, I started doing those things, and our group shuffled, and we went to second group. Then I led that group. There was a change in me from first group to second group. So I changed myself, and also I'm asking more questions. So these are the things that I see that has been changed inside me. Also, I'm showing more gratitude towards the people that in the human behavioral session that Craftshala conducted, that taught me that show gratitude towards the water things also. Before joining Craftshala, I was doing research, but my mind was free. But while joining the Craftshala, it was like have to complete this module before the timing. I had to attend the sessions at the given time, and I had to submit the projects before the deadline. So carrying those pressure and working created a schedule upon my personal life. Surprisingly, I'm noticing that I am able to do all the things while carrying those work pressure also, and again the personal things also. So, I had an amazing experience working with the different people from different cultural backgrounds. I learned various new things from everyone. Like there were people who came from the hospitality, who came from the BBA and MBA background. I am from engineering background, so they were more interactive than me. Because I got a feedback from Craftchala that I am not more interactive with everyone. So that's kind of great learning from them, that how they are interacting with everyone and how they are pitching their strategies. I tried learning from them, and I tried applying those things in my own in my own project group. Working with them was an amazing experience, I can say that. I will appreciate every expert that took their time from their busy schedule and explained our projects. So I'll cherish Sakshi's effort, because what happened in Facebook was we were unclear about the audience segmentation and everything. So she explained so beautifully and so easily to me that how to be segment the audience and according to the objective and everything. So I can't forget those concepts in the upcoming 6 years, because she explained us so easily that it just stuck in my mind that yes, I can recall anytime and apply those things. I would like to talk about one moment when I was not able to score well on the industry cred tests, and I was feeling low. So Anishtha called me and asked me that how are you not seeing the result? And I said that I'm not seeing the numbers that I'm giving the test, but I'm not unable to score. So she said that don't worry about the scores, just believe in your learning. You just believe in the process and start enjoy the learning process. That's kind of forced me to continue further with this course and complete this. Also, while the placement process was going on, Tomona helped me to, while taking the extra sessions, and what are the loopholes in an interview, what the wrong way of delivering the answers, which helped me to understand what I'm lacking behind with their feedbacks. Okay, so I just want to say that if you have a passion in marketing and need a streamlined industrial training, then there is no better place than Craftchala.